got there? No. No. Put that down. No. No. Guys, can you help me clean my car? Oh, not play fighting. You gonna help me clean up my car, Rory? Yeah? Tyre, you gonna help me drive? Okay, just be careful with the steering wheel, okay? I don't want to crash. You remember what happened last time, don't you? Tiger, what are you doing? Off my car, bud. Buddy. Okay? Oh, you're doing a great job helping. Thank you. Are you supervising? Yeah? Hey, buddy. Hey, you want to help vacuum? Hey, can you help me vacuum? Rory, can you help me vacuum? What I found, some sunglasses. Let's put them on. Come on, be cute on you. No? Vacuum? It's okay, guys. Just me and the vacuum. Put it back in your fur. Yeah. Rory, where are you going? It's okay, bud. Just a little vacuum. See, it's nice. You ready to go to the park now? Okay, closing the door.